In front of me is Tank 3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change screen timeout to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. When it's ready, open it. Now select OK in welcome pop-up, tap on timeout and make sure that infinite is on. When you're ready, you can go into tab menu and edit it by tapping on this pen. Now look for Caffeine shortcut, and when you find it, hold it and drag it to your current ones. Then go back and click on your freshly added shortcut. As you can see, mine is on. If you wish to switch it off, tap on the same one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!